Admittedly, the government was too optimistic. I mean, they admit that mistake. Uh, and they have been really employing more performative actions rather than actual results. So ano po ba ang sa tingin ninyong pwedeng gawin ng gobyerno to regain trust?
Well, siguro no, ang dapat nilang gawin kasi ang pagkakamali nila nung nakaraan, ah, ano sila no, pangako ng pangako ng mga bagay na hindi naman pala eventually hindi naman pala nila kayang tuparin. So siguro in the process papapangako nila na 'yon, nagke-create ng ano no, great expectations on the part of the public. So siguro ang dapat lang gawin is to manage the expectations of the public. But how? Bawasan nila yung mga ano no, yung mga pagpapapogi nila, the so-called performative leadership. Oo, kasi hindi naman talaga nila kaya mag-deliver eh. And tingin ko, hindi naman talaga nila gagawin kasi ang analysis ko dyan is that this anti-corruption crusade of the administration is nothing but a weapon used by the president against his former allies, turned over to the other side.
He bit more than he could chew.
That's right. And in the process, he created great expectations on the part of the Filipino public.